Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain the new chapter 4.8 Rashtrakutas. This is also including 5 marks and 10 marks question. Rashtrakutas, they established a large empire in the South Indian ruler. They ruled from 753 to 978 CE. They ruled in South India. They ruled from 753 978 CE. Garuda was the royal emblem of the Rashtrakutas. One marks question. Which is the royal emblem of Rashtrakutas means Garuda was the royal emblem of Rashtrakutas. Manyaketa, one marks question. What's the capital city of Rashtrakutas means Manyaketa was the capital city of Rashtrakutas. Manyaketa, it is in Gulbarga district. It was the capital city of Rashtrakutas. Dandi Durga was the first ruler. Dandi Durga, he was the first ruler of Rashtrakutas. Who was the first ruler of Rashtrakutas means Danti Durga. ದಂತಿ ದುರ್ಗನರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕೂಟರ ಮೊದಲ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 2 marks question. Who was built the Kailasanatha temple and where it is means Krishna first. After Danti Durga, his son Krishna first. After the Danti Durga, after Krishna first, he came to the power. When he came to the power, he was built a very famous monolithic Kailasanatha temple at Ellora. It's very important 2 marks question. Who was built the Kailasanatha temple and where? It was a monolithic stone temple. Kailasanatha temple, it is at Ellora. So adu Elloradalli ide. After Krishna first, Dhruva, he came to the power 780 to 793 CE. Next to Govinda III. Govinda III 793 to 814 CE. He was a very famous ruler in Rashtrakutas dynasty. Govinda III, he was a very famous ruler. After the Dhruva, his son Govinda III came to the power. He came to the power in 793, but his brother Stamba, Dhruva's third brother Stamba, he was opposed when Govinda III came to the power. After Gangas and Pallavas helped to Stamba, he was to help for the Gangas and Pallavas to against the Govinda III. So in that Govinda III, he was completely defeated the Stamba, and he was imprisoned him. After he was released again. When he was released, again he was released after he was head of the Gangavadi. But Stamba again he was opposed to the Govinda III. But completely Govinda III, he was completely defeated the Stamba, and he was went back his jail again. Stamba, he was the brother of Govinda III. So he was not interested when Govinda came to the power. So in that time, Stamba, he was opposed to Govinda III, and he was took help for the Gangas and Pallavas to he was declared war against the Govinda III. But who was completely defeated means Stamba. Second point, Govinda III, he was defeated. That means political chase continued from the North Indian during the Govinda III. ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾದ ಗೊಂದಲಗಳು ಉಂಟಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗಭಟ, the Pratihara ruler, Dharmapala of Bengal, Chakrayuda of Kanauj. They are the 3 rulers. Nagabhata of Pratihara, Dharmapala of Bengal, Chakrayuddha of Punjab. There are the three rulers were declared war on the Govinda III. So after what they happened means Govinda III, he was a very powerful king. So in that time when he was Govinda III, he was started his conquest of North Indian in 800 CE. Nagabhatta, he was completely defeated by the Govinda III. After Nagabhatta, he was ran away from the battlefield. Second one, Chakrayuddha. He was from Kanuj. Chakrayuddha, he was completely surrendered to Govinda III. Last one, Dharmapala, he was backed away from the battlefield. So totally the three persons, Nagabhatta, Chakrayuddha, Dharmapala, the three persons were completely defeated by the Govinda III. Next, after Govinda III, he was marched against the Himalaya. ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಆತ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸಹ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಟ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಾತ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಗಂಗಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಗೋವಿಂದ III, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಗೇನೆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಹಿಮಾಲಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಸನದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ವೇ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಫುಟ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹರಿದು ಬರುವಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯದಿಂದ ಹರಿದು ಬರುವಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಫೀಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ವೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಬಾತ್ ಇನ್ ಗಂಗಾ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕುದುರೆಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುದುರೆಗಳು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತು, ಆನೆಗಳು ಬಂದು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಮಾಲಯದ. ದ ಗಂಗಾ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೇರಳಾಸ್ Gangas along with the Pandyas and Kerala ruler to attack the Rashtrakutas in 803 to 804 CE. Govinda III, he was completely defeated them to the captured royal emblem of the ಕೇರಳ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯಾಸ್. ಗೋವಿಂದ III ಕೇರಳ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಂಡ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಎಂಬ್ಲೆಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಂಛನವನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಆತ ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು Govinda III, he was completely defeated the Pallava ruler Dantivarman. ಗೋವಿಂದ III ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೋಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಂದರೆ ದಂತಿವರ್ಮನ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ Simhalan ruler surrendered to Govinda III to sending his statue. ಗೋವಿಂದ III ಪಲ್ಲವರ ರೂಲರ್ ಆದ ದಂತಿವರ್ಮನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೋಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಅವನಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಹಲಾನ್ ರೂಲರ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ IIIಗೆ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸರೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ the time Govinda III, he was extend their empire from where to where means he was extend from kingdom Himalaya in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and Saurashtra in the west, Bengal in the east. These are the important kingdoms to expand there. Where to where he was extended that kingdom means Himalaya in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, Saurashtra in the east, Bengal in the Saurashtra in the west, Bengal in the east. Who was extended means Dhruva III. Next, 2 marks question. Name the titles of Govinda III. What are the main titles means it is the 2 marks question. They got so many titles: Jagattunga, Prabhutavarsha, Sri Vallabha, Tribhuvana, ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ದಳ. These are the 4 titles who got Miss Govinda III got the 4 titles: Jagatunga, Prabhutavarsha, Srivalabha, Tribhuvana Dhavala. These are the 4 titles who got Miss Govinda III. After the Govinda III, these are the 5 marks question. Explain the achievements of ಗೋವಿಂದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Next class I will explain to the Amogha Varsha. Thank you, my dear students.